Naghahanap ka ba ng bahay just outside of Manila? Yung tipong around 1 hour drive lang, Makati or BGC ka na? Or OFW ka and you want a property na malapit lang din sa airport? Baka ito na ang bahay para sa'yo. Halika, tripping tayo. Located at the border of Las Piñas and Bacoor, this is Kathleen Place 5. Ang ganda ng units, elegantly designed with a proven layout and complete quality finishes. Just bring your things up and turn over kasi meron ng steel gate, modular cabinets in all rooms, and complete fixtures sa toilets and kitchen. KP5 is perfect for families looking for a good community. It's an exclusive 4-hectare project with 24-hour security and amenities such as a basketball court, clubhouse, parks, and playground. KP5 is just 6.4 kilometers from SM South Mall and 4.8 kilometers from SM Molino. It's a 1-hour drive from Makati, and in cases na ayaw mo magdala ng sasakyan, there's a transport terminal right at the gate of KP5. If you like to see Kathleen Place 5, halika, tripping tayo.